explain that.
My name is Nagul. I am from Kasaragod, Kerala. My partner is Rohit Krishnan from same school, Kasaragod. Is our teaching aide. His name is Krishnan. Our project is Moulten Salt Solar Technology for producing electricity, fuel and fertilizer. This is said that 3-in-1 sources. This is salt receiver. We can keep salt with a mixture of potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Potassium nitrate is 60% of potassium nitrate and 40% of sodium nitrate is mixture is used as in molten stage. This mixture is kept in salt receiver. This is heliostat. The field around this heliostat is known as heliostat field. When the sunlight directly falls on heliostat, it is reflected towards the target point of the salt receiver. That time, the mixture of this salt became molten state. When the temperature became 220 degrees Celsius, the mixture in the salt receiver became in molten state. After 290 degrees Celsius, it began loop and reaches the hot salt storage tank through this steam pipe. The main peculiarity of this steam pipe is it remains hot condition for 13 hours. There are many peculiarities for hot salt storage tank. It is made up of mild carbon steel. The main peculiarity of carbon is it absorbs all the poisonous gas around this tank. Then from the hot salt storage tank using regulator, we can pump the molten salt to superheater. The main function of superheater to increase the temperature of molten salt. By rotating the double disc valve inside the superheater, we can increase the temperature. Then this molten salt reaches the steam generator. The kettler boil inside the steam generator will rotate speedily and changes the molten salt into steam. This steam pumped powerfully into the HP turbine. The fan inside the HP turbine rotate and generator functioned and produced electricity as 245 megawatt per hour. For condensation process, we want to decrease the temperature at certain condition about 500 or 400 degrees Celsius. So, molten salt is passes through the reheater. The main function of reheater is it decreases the temperature into 400 or 500. Then it reaches the HP turbine.
Rotates and produce about 245 megawatt per hour electricity, and then the molten salt vapor reaches the condenser. Then condenser fan works and it becomes cold. The cold molten salt reaches the condenser tank. Then the molten salt reaches the feed water preheater. From the feed water preheater, using regulators, the waste are removed as fertilizers. Then the molten salt reaches the cold salt storage tank, and the temperature of salt receiver become 290 degrees Celsius. The automatically the molten salt in this cold salt storage tank automatically pumped to salt receiver. This is a recycling process, and it is the plant is too eco-friendly.
Feed water preheater is considered as a waste box in this plant. It contains lot of impurities. The feed water contains regulating. This regulator converts the impurity substance to pure substance. As we know that we use NPK is a plant fertilizer. So here we use potassium nitrate. So using feed water regulator, we can convert the potassium nitrate into potassium fertilizer. Then electricity, as per combine of two turbine, LP turbine and HP turbine, we can produce about 1425 megawatt per hour using the presence of 9.8 to 10.3 kilogram salt in this receiver. Then by blending the steam generator into HRST, that is heat recovery steam generator, we can prepare fuel. It is blending towards the molten reactor. Through calcination process, we can decompose the calcination CaCO3 decomposed into CO2 and CaCO. The CO2 is passed through the molten reactor. Argon is also passed through the molten reactor to prevent the coagulations. Then that time the molten salt is mixture of potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate in the molten reactor will be break down continuously and producing gas. This is the first step of fuel preparation that can be allowed to prepare fuel. Through the storage medium as nitrate salt this plant is repeating in the Sandia Laboratory of America through the nitrate salt as storage medium. Our next aim to plant this power plant in our India about 2030. If this plant is planted in India, this is our future plant. This is our reflector, this is our tower, this is salt receiver. This power functions was functioned inside this tower. We are on through research for finding various salts which are most suitable for our power plant. Then we think that the mixture of potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate is much more available, and for planting our power plant we want more availability of these salts, and also nitrate salt, lead nitrate, barium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, ammonium nitrate. When we pass these salt through the jet tube, some of them these salts are blocked inside, so our power function will be blocked. So we selected sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate as our storage medium in this power plant.
What is the name you said?
Nagul.
Nagul. And which class you are studying in?
10th standard.
Okay. Which school?
Chattanjig, Kasaragod, Kerala.
Kerala. And which is the most closest city?
Oh, process city, Kochi.
Kochi. Okay. Then what is your ambition? Life ambition?
Ambition to become a medical engineer.
Medical engineer. What is your ambition?
I'm a doctor, become a doctor.
God bless you. Wonderful.